we have come to the conclusion that the prosecution against the petitioner cannot proceed.
A decision by a 5-judge bench that has gotten the 9-month-old yoke of the embattled Deputy Chief Justice Philomena Mwilu's neck. Mwilu was accused of abuse of office, unlawful failure to pay taxes to KRA and forgery, accusations she has argued harbored ulterior motives and witch hunt after siding with the dissenting voices when President Uhuru Kenyatta's victory in 2017 was quashed, but the judges ruled she failed to prove that.
Together with my learned friends.
Although Mwilu is off the hook, Justices William Musyoki, Mumbi Ngugi, Helen Omonde, Francis Tuyot and Chacha Mwita quashed all her grounds, but faulted the DCI over how he gathered evidence.
That the DCI illegally obtained evidence against the petitioner by gaining access to her accounts with IBL through the use of a court order that had no bearing on her accounts, and having found that the DCI thereby misrepresented facts and misused the court order.
The case has been one of its own, with the state even vouching for Queen's Counsel Briton Bonkawar Qureshi to spearhead Mwilu's prosecution, and after a tug of war over his eligibility to engage in the case, he was admitted but has hit a dead end. DPP Nurdin Haji and Director of Criminal Investigation George Kinoti have however vowed not to bow and instead will appeal the ruling, as they dismissed claims the evidence was acquired through unorthodox means.
It was a shock that we obtained evidence illegally when we followed due process the way it's supposed to be. How could we be expecting conviction, surely, if we obtained evidence illegally? What were we to present in the court in the first place?
We are sending the evidence to the JSC immediately for further action while we pursue an appeal on the other grounds that they clearly stated were criminal in nature.
The independence of the judiciary has also been subject of the ruling, but Mwilu's lawyers argued it has been directly encroached on, given Mwilu is the sitting Deputy Chief Justice. A spirited legal battle it was. The embattled second-in-command in the judiciary, Philomena Mwilu, is finally off the hook, with the egg splashed over the face of the DCI for allegedly illegally acquiring evidence against her. Alan Ochanda at the Milimani Law Courts, Nairobi.